Dan's Guitar Lessons. This week's episode, the C chord.
Hello. I'd like to welcome you to another episode of Dan's Guitar Lessons. This week's episode, the C chord. One of my favorites. I know Chi-Chi loves it as well. Isn't that right, Chi-Chi?
You love it?
So, shall we begin? Yes. Yes, we shall. Begin. Hey, we're back. I have my guitar with me. It's been humid around here these last few weeks, and the temperature changes wildly from the evening to the day. And I just wanted to say that this Martin guitar has not gone out of tune. I tried to tune the guitar right before this video, and it's still in tune, so it's a beast. I love this thing. All right, so C chord. The first thing you want to do is get your third finger onto the third fret, okay, on the second lowest string. So that's this. Oops. All right. The next part of the puzzle here is the middle finger. It's going to go on the second fret of the third lowest string. It's going to sound a little something like this. Listen to that. It's going to ring forever. It's going to whisk you away into a world of wonder and delight. All right, next. So this one is just open. Don't worry about that bad boy right there. The fourth lowest string, don't worry about it. All right, we're getting to the high strings here. So this is the second highest string. And you're using your index finger on the first fret right here. Boom, this bad boy. You hear that? That sounds good. It sounds like a song that's ready to be played. Let's hear what all of those notes together sound like. We're back. I just wanted to say thank you for watching the episode. I had a good time recording it. Chi-Chi over there. She had a good time listening and hanging out with us. Thank you so much. Please like the video and share it with your family members who are trying to learn how to play guitar if they don't know how to play the C chord yet. That's it right there. You can rewind the video. You can slow it down, watch it at quarter speed if you need to. But all the info you need for the C chord is there. And it's going to be here. And that's how we, together, learn from one another. All right, thank you. Have a great day. I'll see you on the other side of reality. Goodbye. Chi-Chi, what are you doing?